In the final part of our Rule of 11 series, we're going to look at the Rule of 11 from the point of view of righty, of the right-hand opponent, to declarer the defender, partner of the opening leader. So your partner's led the 7 of diamonds, dummy has come down, and we've got this hand here. And if partner's lead against 2 no trumps is their 4th highest card, the Rule of 11 will work. So let's subtract the spot card 7 from 11 to give 4. This tells us how many cards there will be higher than the 7 in the 3 hands that are not the leader's hand. How many can you see? 1 on the dummy, higher than the 7, and 3 in our own hand. That's 4. So if it is 4th highest, declarer has no cards higher than the 7. So when a low card is played, which card should we play? If it was a trump contract, the queen would be the correct card. But if it is 4th highest, the correct card here is the 6. No need to beat the 7. The 7 is winning the trig. When declarer plays low, we now know, your partner now knows, they've hit on a great lead and continue immediately playing diamonds through dummy's king. Another diamond. If a low one was played, we could play the 10 to win the trick. Practice, declarer plays the king. We can take our ace and follow that with 2 more diamonds to take the first 4 tricks. Let's just go back one mo. Let's say on the 7 of diamonds, a low diamond is played and we play our queen, or indeed our 10, and beat partner's card. We can never then, we'd be on lead now. If we led a diamond, we'd give a trick to the king that the king doesn't deserve. If we're left on lead, the trouble is we can never get partner to lead another diamond through the king. The king would be a safe stopper now for declarer. So the Rule of 11 enabled you, going back one mo, enables you to duck that first trick. Okay, let's look at this hand now from declarer's point of view. How do we make our 2 no trumps? Teeing up for no trumps, counting our top tricks. None in spades. 2 in hearts, ace king. 2 in clubs, ace king, makes 4. None in diamonds. So we need to find at least 4 extra tricks. And we're going to do that with a combination of spades and clubs. In spades, we can drive out the ace to make at least 2 extra tricks. In the clubs, we have a queen finesse. Sandwich finesse leading the jack from the dummy, hoping the queen is on the right. And we also have length in both spades and clubs. If either suit splits 3 and 3, we will have a length winner in either or both suits. So 7 diamonds led, don't rush in with the king. We're definitely losing the first 4 tricks if we do that in this case. A low one, and we'd hope righty might play a high card, but righty has invoked the Rule of 11 and plays the 6. Keeping lefty on lead to continue with diamonds. Best chance here is to hope that lefty has led from the ace and to try the king. If you played low, it wouldn't work either way. The ace, alas, is on the right, and they continue to take 2 more diamond tricks. What do we throw? Well, we're going to retain length in our black suits. We're going to give up on the diamonds. They continue with the diamonds, not quite sure which order they take them in. We're throwing hearts on the dummy too, and then they switch to a heart or other. Let's win this in hand and keep the king of hearts on the dummy in case we need it to reach length. And we're going to play our first spade. Low spade to the jack, let's say. Righty takes the ace. We need to keep account of our black suits as they're played. And righty plays a passive heart to the king. Leave the spades. They may or may not split equally. Leave the spades. We're in the right place now. The trouble is if we play the spades and they don't split, we could be in trouble. So now we lead the jack clubs, and we must hope and pray that righty has the queen. We're doomed if we don't. The queen appears, crunch it with the king. When a low one appears, run the jack. So we continue with the 10. This time righty will cover it with the queen. Now the question is, we've got 4 in the bank. Ace clubs 5. King and queen of hearts 6, 7. We need one of these black suits to divide 3 and 3. Ace of clubs we try. Don't know what they throw. It doesn't matter what they throw. The clubs have not split 3-3. The 3 is not a winner. Back to the spades. Queen of spades, highest from shortest. Low spade to the king. The good news, the spades have divided 3 and 3. The 6 is a winner. Not a counting to do. That's because righty did very well with the Rule of 11 to begin with. So remember, you can also use the Rule of 11 opposite partner's 4th highest lead as a defender, telling you how many cards declarer has higher than the card led.